Welcome to our show today. This experiment is called a volcano. And volcanoes erupt when they ever do. Like this is a real volcano.
Mm-hmm.
Volcanologists know when the volcano erupts. Volcanologists.
Good job. All right, so we need 1 scoop of citric acid,
Yes.
and we are adding that to our sodium bicarbonate. Nice job. All right, then
So guys, this is how you get started with your volcano.
we need to add 2 drops, just 2 drops of red food coloring.
Yes, you're right.
You will see a bit of fizzing, and that is okay. Stir with a stirring stick until the mixture is crumbly. 2 drops. 1, 2. Good job. Now stir it with your stick. Until it's crumbly.
It looks crumbly now.
When you squeeze a pinch of the mixture, it should stick together. ... just. That's word for word what it says.
Yes.
Oh, you know what, Jackson? We stop. Making the bomb. Scoop the mixture into the bomb mold. Press it down gently but firmly with your finger. Okay, and then wait about 3 minutes. All right, so that's supposed to go right here. Okay, put it here. Scoop it in. We're getting a little messy here. Can I help? Because then we're supposed to press it down gently. Okay. Until the mold is full, so we don't want to overfill it, right?
Voila.
All right. Press firmly with your finger. All right, now we're gonna set a timer with Alexa. Do you want to tell her?
Alexa, do 1 minute.
No, 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
1 minute, starting now.
Okay, well, when that goes off, we'll add 2 more minutes. All right, we'll
Hi
come back to
guys
that.
again. We just ate lunch.
Mm-hmm. Now what?
I'll show you guys. It's dry. It's dry now.
Mm-hmm.
Right here.
All right, we're gonna put it in the crater, which is this one.
Crater? Which one?
You can pick. Yep, okay. Now we're gonna add, it says, tip the lava foam liquid into the crater and watch what happens. Wait, I feel like we missed a step because we have the water and the lava foam. Oh, add 8 drops of the lava foam, here we go, into the water. Okay, so you gotta count to 8 while you're dropping that in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
Yep, that's good. Okay. All right. Then we've got the lava bomb in the crater, and now we tip the lava foam liquid into the crater. You ready? All right. There's the video. Put this.
Why are my hands so wet right here?
I don't know. Can you tip that into here? Just a little bit at first, and watch what happens.
Oh.
Whoa, the first explosion. Okay, do a little more. Whoa, there it goes. There it goes. The lava bomb.
Pinocchio!
That's really erupting. There it goes.
Stop!
Oh.
Daddy, come on! This is the final! Hurry up, quick. Look.
huge reaction.
If you don't like this, do a thumbs up down, or if you do like this, do a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel.
Please.